Umentri rangba ukonrat ke sangma ulaple patba ya ke Apollo Trinity Medical Center hadong nongrimba laimkra Shillong haga khat khandai terik rempang haga jingedon lang ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo menteri ketanat ke kwat kekia bat ki kendrem ki lendan ki bakentup yuba DP Walang Chief Secretary Rana Das Gupta Regional CEO East Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited Haka jingkren play Umentri rangba ulapan pau ke jingkemen ke bakrau namar ki patba ke jela ki don kami ki jaka sumar nongpang ki babiang uloong borok shikata ki nongpang na ke jela ki don kami ki jing sumar babha ki hab ban nek sumar sya ki weipat ki sorba jong kari India ki hab ru ban siu ha ke dor ke barem ke jingmi perthai ke ni ke jaka sumar nongpang bethamai kan penduna ki jinglut jing sep jongki Uloong ru baka sorkar ke pelut haduk kendai pesen kamang pisan na ke benta ke kot kekia bat kadang don kam sekumbasan sepangut ki doktor ban syakri hagani ke jela. Uloong ru na duk basdang ula don ketilang ban penclur bat kentu ban pendep kloy kini ke jaka sumar ban ai ke jing sumar bapakai ki nongpang ke jela. Kakong amprin ru kelepen pawi ke jingkemen ke bakrau bakini ke Apollo Medical Center ke pen pernai krek ya kalait mkra bat kan airu kijing sumar sukher ki babiang ni kinongpang ki bawan syak sumar hang ni. Kala benyau ru da ka boong, kador kamur ban sumar nongpang kala kiu haduk kata-kata, kabala kata juri ki long ying long sem baduk bakerdu. Kani ke medical center kan ai kijing sumar ki bapaka kala penpau ya la kijing angnut. Chief Secretary ba DP Walang loong kijing wan jong kani ke jaka sumar nongpang bethamai ke penpai din trai ya ke nam ke kerteng jong ke Shillong ha ke than lam mingi kum gashnong ke badon ki hospital ki pakensai ban sumar bat penkot bunjat ki jingpang jingjia. Urana Das Gupta, Regional CEO East Apollo Hospitals Enterprise Limited, ulakular ban ai jing sumar sukher ki pakensai bat bajanai. Kum kanam ke kerteng jong ke Apollo Hospital. Bon ki kor ki bor la penbiang hagani ke medical center bat iki bedang duna en penbiang shen kat bala ulong. Most Reverend Archbishop Victor Lingdo bala senran lang do Vicar General Reverend Padar Richard Majau ula kerkhui gani ke jaka sumar nongpang ha unok pra arjar arpusa.
Morning.
I also request Shri Rana Das Gupta, the regional CEO of hospital. I also request Shri Manoj Roy, CEO of Apollo Hospitals, Guwahati. Shri Thomung Lung, CEO of Apollo XLK. And Shri Debapriya Dev to kindly grace us the occasion with the lighting of lamp.
Where was that?
All the machines.
MRI has it?
The MRI to second phase, CT and MRI is coming in the second phase.
The big machine. Almost like 70
Yeah,
crores.
10 crores.
But that'll be there. That'll be up.
Amit and his team is actually interviewed.
6 months will be here?
Yeah. So this is a team. Then the eco here. Must check up everything is there. Everything is
We have to
there.
give some concession to pensioners.
Okay.
Senior
Right.
citizens.
Senior citizens.
So you have to work out something.
As I enter that phase, I have to take care of.
This is the eco, sir. Eco. So in this flow, sir, entire diagnostic flow is there. New machine, all machines, all are GE machines. GE. All are integrated machines, sir. Then, sir, we have this. I can show you this one small thing. We have this vital condition.
Yeah. We are going to ensure that only. Yeah. Blood test, yeah,
The health sector has been of great importance to us as a government. And you'll be happy to know that in terms of the percentage expenditure of GDP, Meghalaya spends more than 8%, almost 9% of our expenditure of our overall budget, our budget is on healthcare. And that makes us the number one in the country to spend the maximum amount percentage of the budget on healthcare. So this is reflective of the commitment that we have towards health and improvement of the health sector. Please remember, these are not easy things to do. There's a lot of challenges, and we have started at a very kind of a base line was very low for us. And therefore for us to come up from that baseline to where we are moving forward today, it's not about the challenge alone, it's about creating that inertia, creating that momentum, creating that motivation in the team. And that takes a lot of time. And that is something that has happened throughout the structure of governance. It's not just health, but health has seen that move much further. And I'm sure our officials who are present out here will tell you how the health sector is reforming and how the involvement of the officials, involvement of the doctors has been at a different level, which has allowed us to really improve things and see where we are today. And of course, there's a lot more to be done. It's not that we are saying that we have resolved every issue. There's a lot of issue to be resolved, but clearly from where we were and where we are and where we are moving forward to, I can clearly see the direction and seeing that vision that our Chief Secretary had mentioned, that slowly and steadily Meghalaya, especially Shillong of course, will gain that reputation of being able to provide good medical and healthcare services in the days to come. And that's really kind of a goal and a target for us, which drives us. Again, a very big target, but we feel that it can be achieved if we continue this momentum that we're doing.
I believe that this center is such a center of hope. I urge upon both the Darbars of Norum Hill and the Darbar of Nongramba to work together on this project, to be on the same page, to not tussle as to who belongs and whose it is. We both need to figure out what do we do with this horrible drain which needs to be covered. And we both have to rally together. As a local representative, sir, I place before your knowledge that if this drain does not get covered, sir, it will unnecessarily cause exposure to all kinds of infections, to all those that will be traveling this road. We must do it, sir. There is no agency in this world that will throw development away on a flimsy notion that this is a water body. So it is the dirtiest of all drains. And it is the only drain left in my constituency that remains uncovered. We have dealt with this matter, sir, before. We have dealt with it in several other locations, where there are a handful of people who for some odd reason do not want to move along with the community and go ahead and see things happening and see how a facility like this can be a blessing to so many families.
Just you don't have to do anything much, everything is computerized. So therefore I urge all of you to please go and disseminate this very important information that it is a very good facility that we saw being inaugurated, and it could be free if we are registered under MHIS, because we take care of OPD and diagnostics also, which is what this center is all about. Therefore, with that information that I wanted to share with all of you, I come back again and congratulate all the promoters, Apollo, for the partnership that you have executed for this project, and I'm sure that this will go a long way in making Shillong